Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you guys can clearly see, we're doing a makeup tutorial. Yes, we are doing a makeup tutorial. I'm excited because I'll be honest, I don't know what happened for this month. I was planning on doing like a lot of colorful looks. I planned all these colorful palettes, but I don't know, it's like once I got like mid-August, I was like, I'm not feeling colorful eyeshadows. Like, I'm not. And I kept trying to push myself, but I was not. So I did a lot of non-super duper like soft bronzies and kind of sort of a little bit of color, but just a tad bit. Like, I didn't do what I was supposed to do, okay? So I apologize for that, but before this month over, I wanted to do a look using the Delights palette by Cosmic Brushes, because I know I promised a certain person that I was going to do more looks, and I will, just probably not for this month, but it's not going away. She'll come back sometime this year. It's over with, and I'll do some more looks using this palette. But today we're gonna do a colorful look using her. Here is the color story of her. She's pretty, she's gorgeous. I don't know, the moment I had first grabbed her, I was like, I just wasn't feeling inspired at all. I was going through a little phase, but I think I'm sort of back. So let's go ahead and kick this makeup look off. Oh my gosh, this shade right here is so duochrome. Oh my gosh, the camera's not even gonna do it any justice. No, so it looks pink, but certain angles when I hold it here, it looks like an orange, a gold, a green, like so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what I want to put in my crease, let's go in with Charms, which is this really pretty deep purple. I'm gonna go in with that, but let me zoom in a little bit closer because I'm like super duper far away. That's better. Get up close and personal. All right, so we're gonna take Charms. I'm gonna pack that on my crease, and the brush that I'm using, this is like an e.l.f. little crease brush. This is my favorite style of brush to start off my creases with. And I believe these brushes are like so inexpensive too. They're like $5. $5 is like the max for these brushes, I know for sure. If you do take care of these brushes, they will last you for a really long time. But if you don't, you can easily toss them, get a new set. But I really feel like they really grab and pack on the crease eyeshadows like really, really well. So look at that. All right, so now we need a shade that's gonna blend out this beautiful purple. I'm going to be going in with another Morphe brush. This is 433. It's a nice little blending brush. Oh, I didn't think this through. There's so many shades I can blend this purple out with. This is why I like putting purple in my crease, because so many different shades can blend her out. I can do a pink, I can do a green, I can do brown, I can do orange. We can do so much with this, and there's a lot of different shades of matte in here, which I honestly love. I think it's typical for me to go in with the pink. I'm looking at this orange too. I think I'm gonna go in with gingerbread. You're gonna go, hold on, let me think this through, hold on. I'm gonna go in with the pink, I'm sorry. I'm typical, yes. Let's go in with this pink. And this one is called Marshmallows. She's a really soft pink, so I think I'm gonna take a couple of tries on making sure that I blend her out to my liking, because she's so light. Oh my gosh, she's super duper light. I think she's gonna be way too light for my liking. You know what? Scratch that. Let's rewind it. We're gonna go with what I said at first. We're gonna go for the orange. Let's do the orange. So I wanted to do the pink. Maybe I can do the pink after I blend out the orange. Look at the cut crease, looks good today, yes. And on my lid for my cut crease, I do have on the Ace Beauty. This is in the shade Deep, and I mixed it with my icing, which is in the shade Caramel. So that's what concoction I got on my eyelid. I'm just making sure that I blend it out nicely, because they do tend to crease. But that's with any base, I don't care what base I use. They just dry up and they just crease. So I keep that on standby before putting on my eyeshadows. And I think the shade I want to go in with, I want to play in some metallics. I thought about making this into an all matte look, but I was like, I want to use a color on my lid that I wouldn't necessarily grab. And these greens are grabbing my attention. I know I'm leaning towards green lately. I don't know what it is. But I think they'll be cute for this combo. So I have this beautiful matte green and I have this metallic. I don't know which one I want to use. Oh my gosh. Let's do it again. Oh, that looks so, wait. I'm going to use the metallic. I was like, wait, I'm going to use the metallic. So we're going to pack that on the eyelid. And I think I like using these with a little bit of spray. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe 124 brush. And I'm just going to grab that and put that on the lid. I'm going to put this towards the middle. All right, on that side, I'm gonna take a little bit of that matte green and I'm gonna put it towards the inner and outer. All right, and then I'm gonna add that metallic color back onto the lid just so that it can blend out with the inner and outer green. And I have to say, I like the shade Fizzy, which is this metallic shade. I really, really like this shade of green. All right, so Fizzy Lollipop is on the eyes. I like the colors names to that. That's cute. Clean up my cut crease area, and I think I'm gonna add a little bit of that purple towards the outer, and then I'll pop like maybe like an inner sparkly purple. Yeah, sparkly purple towards the inner, I think. Okay, so let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. So I finished up the rest of my face. Honey, I couldn't help myself. I was like, let me just finish with the eyes really quick. And I'm gonna tell you guys what I did. So I did add a little bit of that deep purple towards the inner, but I put it right above that metallic shade that I popped in my inner tear duct. And let me tell y'all what I use. Baby, we gotta come back. We already gotta come back. We have to come back for another look. I don't know when I'm gonna bring her back, but this definitely bit my butt right where it need to be bitten at. The color vibes are back. The color vibes are back, but the inner, I got on this beautiful metallic purple. When I tell you she is gorgeous, oh my gosh, she is super duper gorgeous. Like the metallics in here are just so buttery and creamy, easy to glide on. I'm like, of course, it's cosmic, you know? So I popped on that purple down at the bottom as well with a black liner, pop on my lashes. Lashes, by the way, just in case I get asked. There are Beauty Creations in the style My Go-To. I am here for the face. I'm here for the look. Okay, so let's wrap it up. Before I move on with my blush, I'm gonna do a quick lip combo. So let's go ahead and zoom back in. All right, for my liner today, let's go in with, FYI, if you guys ever buy this thing off of, I think, Amazon, don't get her. Do not get her. She has a lot of my lip products stuck, but honestly, I think it was my fault too because I put the products in the wrong way. So note to self, you guys get this, got it, whatever. Don't put your lip pencil in where the top pops off. I did it that way because I wanted to see like my pencil shade. Bad idea. So I have a lot of my pencils that are stuck in here and they have no chances of getting out. So yeah, just want to put that out there. Do not get this. This was a waste of a no. I got one pencil in particular that I'm eyeing. I think she's stuck. Oh Jesus, we got her out. All right, I'm gonna go in with Coffee Bean. This is by Juvias. I'm gonna pop her on the lip. All right, for my lips, I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe lipstick in the shade Jealous. nice little pink that I was trying to go for. Then I'm gonna pop on a nice gloss. All right, I'm gonna top it with So Juicy by ColourPop. This one is candy coated. And I'm just gonna pop this new shade called Single AF. I'm just gonna pop it right in the center. This is what the lips are giving. Yes, yes. Okay. For my cheeks, let's go in with Juvia Plays. I'm gonna be taking, I'm gonna go in with this, whatever shade. What is this? A peachy pink? It's not a peach. I don't know what to call it. A red, I don't know. She's cute though. I'm just gonna pop it on my cheeks. All right, my love, so this is going to complete the look. I really do like how this look turned out. Everything pretty much came together the way it was supposed to. The way it was supposed to. I don't know when, but I gotta do some more looks using this palette. I'm not the type of girl who sticks to the season of like colors, like, oh, I only do bright colors in the summertime. Like, I'm still gonna do my color looks throughout the year. I just feel like I'm not gonna do them that much, but we are definitely coming back and doing another look using this palette because she is beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Okay, yes. I already filmed my September playlist. I did not put her on my playlist, but I'm thinking about switching her up. I'm thinking about adding her. We're gonna see what September holds up. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, please simply tag me on Instagram. Y'all know where my social media platforms are at, down in the bottom. But it's giving, it's giving, it's giving. Yes. Y'all all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow with another video.